Oh shit. All right, so I'm gonna move the chickens to this coop and then close them in this run here. This been empty now for about a couple months. So that little something right there dug a hole, got into the coop, wrecked us. And I know I laid wire down on the outside of the coop. All around it, like right here. I know I did it around here. Got wire. You got more wire right here. Wire attached to the frame, wire. Fence. And it came all the way up to here. I got wire. And damn, I must have stopped. Because right here, I don't no wire over there. Got wire right here on the ground. See? Damn. Right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this other fence down. I'm gonna take some of this fence down since I'm not gonna use that. And I'm gonna take some of this fence down and I'm gonna use that to block off that hole and look for any other ways anything can get in. All right. Okay, so I just cut that section of the fence out. It's right over here. I'm gonna take one of those pieces I just cut, and I'm gonna use it to I'm gonna lay it on the ground, cover that hole up, nail it to the frame of the run, and then try to fill those holes in with some type of rocks or logs or something. Okay, so once again, there's the hole right there. Maybe I'll get a bucket I'll lay the wire down, get the tractor, get a bucket of soil or something, and pour that soil over the wire, so it'll be kind of like buried, and it'll probably be too heavy for him too difficult for him to dig it out. I'll get the sledgehammer. Snap. We use this. I'm gonna put this one inside the coop. They are in here, you know. There you go. Food for about a week, water for about 2 days. We should be good and happy. Got a little bit of straw, fresh ground that they can scratch at. So I think they're gonna be happy. Okay, so excuse me. All right, so I got the electricity up and running. I took the tractor and I put some soil over the wire. I laid an extra layer of wire on this side. On this back side here, I still have the electrical wire running along the back, about a foot off the ground. I covered the wire with soil all around here. And then over here, I have the hole covered with a center block stuffed with dirt, and I got wires running in front of it, and the wires go all the way around the coop to the front. This dirt right here should also let me know if something's visiting at night. You know, so I got all my defensive mechanisms in place. But this time, also gonna go on the offense. Got this this trap right here. See if we can possibly catch anything. Then I set up a game cam over here. So we'll see if we come up with anything. But I think I got all sectors covered. All right, thanks.